Philo, and this is Philo's Corner. So kama kawaida, just in case you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. So my people, in this segment, I'm actually going to do my fridge reveal. Like, I'm going to open my fridge and show you what is inside my fridge. Then from there, we'll be able to judge, was it really worth buying a fridge ama tulinunua fridge via peer pressure. So yeah, we are going to do my fridge reveal. Kama kawaida, subscribe. So let us see, guys. So this is my fridge and I love the decor. Yeah, so we are going to see what is inside here. Jesus. Okay, there we go. So tuanze na hapa juu. What is inside there? A pack of sausage, 13 pieces. Yeah, this was 1 kg. Nikipika upika tu zote, and then ikifika time ya kupika, it's just picking. So that is the only thing that is inside this freezer. Then wow, some ice cubes for a Guinness, of course, just in case you want some cold Guinness. Then down here, hapa tuko na greens, cabbage, yeah, and then hapa I have greens. Akiona vile zimekauka. This tells you, zimekaa, lakini siwezi tupa, zitadekolea. Then hapa I have some sausages. As I said earlier on, mi upika tu zote, and then when it comes to eating, it's just picking one by one and warming. So this is what is there. Hapa, it's actually supposed to be, unaweza weka some stuffs if you want, but ordinarily you're supposed to have it that way, and then ukipress ndani itafanya hizi ziko hapa, hizi tumamawe zimwage maji, so hiyo maji itakaa hapa. But if you have some tomatoes nini, unaweza weka hapo. People tayari, like yeah, they were deep fried. So ifikapo kula tena kula ni mimi kokota na kuta samaki wakubwa na wadogo, like mother fish and baby fish. Hawa tu baby fish ni wale una bite tu kiendaga, like really ni tudogo sana, you see. So ni wale kupiga bite and you move on in life. So that was it. That's what is here. This one was here. Yeah, this one can stay there. So what is in here? This tin has got some liver. Yeah, mini liver. So when I want to eat, I just chukua and warm, and I do my stuff. The next thing, guys, Jesus, what porridge! Like this was my porridge for breakfast. Then sikumaliza ilikuwa mob. Ngasiezi mwanga. So ikabidi ikaya hapo. Then apart from that, foodstuffs, okay, I have some cucumber already peeled, just for salad, some bites. So when I want to take some cucumber, mi hufanya kuzitoa zikae nje kwanza, hiyo baridi itoke, especially jioni nikitoka job. So naeka hapo, inatoka baridi, then I just take one a piece na kula hivyo kama snack. So wait, I'm not sure what is here. Then here I also have a popo. I love popos, so that is it. So vile iko siwezi kana clean film, so inabidi tu niweke hivyo, and then tomorrow nikishakata this part I can now wrap it well. So that is it. The next thing, man, simtacheka. What? Inside here, wow! Hapa ni camera isonge. Really? Oh my goodness. Ugali and cabbage. Like this ugali and hapa kuna cabbage. So if I want ugali cabbage, it's just kuchukua hapa na kuo and then I'll check kama ni samaki, kama ni liver, kama ni beans. It's not easy. So yeah, this is what is there. So apart from that, down here actually some carrots and what is this called? Green bell pepper. Usually these are the most ingredients new to me kwa kupika. I don't love tomatoes because of the acid. So that is it. Then this side, hapa the cucumbers. Hapa I have the green bell pepper in the kabaki. And then these ones, ginger zinapakwa hapo. Alafu another cucumber, some eggs. Hizi nazo msonga. Hey, what is inside here? Hapa ni I'm just a poor feeder. Nilieka chai, but nile chai ya kuweka tea bag. So nilieka and then nikanyotu hiyo maziwa kidogo and nikabweka. So siwezi mwaga nikarudisha hapo. Then here niko na turubena. Wewe usije ukasema ni chupa tu. There is something here. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, kuna turubena hapo. Hatutaki blood ishuke chini. So that is there. Then hapa, this is pure milk. So in case I want to take some milk, I just sip. Hivyo kama nataka kutengeneza. Ordinarily this milk natumia kuwekea coffee, tea bag, and it's purely milk. So just in case sitaki stress mambo ya kupika and so forth, doing tea, so just take some milk, warm, and yeah. So I think I think siku buy fridge ya peer pressure. There's need. So say if kitaka kula, just take a plate, take a portion of what I want, and I'm done. So guys, kindly consider subscribing just in case you haven't subscribed. Thank you guys. Love you. Mwah.